Hi guys, this is just a quick video. It should only take a few moments. I have rolled the dice for the last Conquest magazine review of issue 80, and the winners are Stuart Hayes, who's won what I believe to be a Nurgle champion, might be a Death Guard champion, I'm not sure what the difference is. Jim Turner, who's won the equivalent of a Death Guard apothecary, and Chris Gibson, who's won the Tallyman guy with the microphone and that. I will poke you in the comments and let you guys know. If you're watching this, email the address that you want me to post these to wargamerdaduk@gmail.com, I think. And I'll get these sent to you. To anyone who didn't win a prize, sorry. I tried to make it as equal as possible by rolling dice, and I did try and stack it where appropriate towards new people who were joining up, just so that try and share the prizes out as much as I could. Mostly because I like everyone having something. And if you enjoyed the Conquest series, please consider watching the Mortal Realms series, which I'm doing with my daughter. And I will see you guys later for one last Conquest video, where I'm going to go over how I divided my Conquest up and things that I found were useful for me. So I will maybe see you next time. Bye bye. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Facebook and Twitter. Not sure why, but I am. So if you like it, see me there, and please tell your friends. Thanks very much. Bye.